Welcome back to our channel. The 1 cent region just over here, and as predicted in that video, I said if we'll lose that level at 1 cent, I think the prices are going to decline quite quickly, and they did. They shot down to 8 cents here, but their action here on OnyxCoin was quite astonishing. I personally did not expect there to be such a strong bounce from this 8.5 cents level, but nonetheless we saw that happen. What we saw yesterday was a pump of nearly 30 cents. The prices went up to the 1 cent region, and of course right now we are consolidating back at the 1 cent level, so this was a very strong reaction from the bull shear OnyxCoin. Of course, a lot of people saw the price under the 1 area and buyers managed to step in to save the price falling down below 1 cent. And bearing in mind that this drop here was a crypto drop that we saw yesterday, it wasn't just OnyxCoin fell like this, it was basically the whole of crypto that was really bearish yesterday. And yet not many coins bumped a shard as XCN did. For example, if I just show you some of the other coins that we cover on this channel, let's take a quick at XD, another similar coin to XN. You can see that over the past few days, it's just been in a downtrend. There hasn't really been much of a bounce XP. Or another example, we saw the prices decline the same time XC did. The bounce has been slight here, but now where does XCN bounced? And of course, bear exactly the same, we saw a decline as light bounce from the same time that OnyxCoin did that 30 cent, and now we've retraced back down. So OnyxCoin, in my opinion, is outperforming in that very moment, which is quite significant because, of course, outperformance is the first step towards a new bullish trend. Of course, if we zoom out there on the chart, and on this coin, we've also got this technical picture that's happening right now. We've got these two trend lines that we've been watching for what feels like forever. Now, it's basically been 2 months that we've been stuck in this downtrend. We've had this as our main resistance. You can see that this has been the main support for this downtrend, and right now things I think are getting interesting because once again, we're coming close to this resistance level. If we start to see some sort of breakout coming from this upper resistance line, so let's say something like this occurs over the next few days and we start to see a breakout from this upper trend line, we see momentum starting to pick up, trading volume starting to pick up, and the price is shooting up like this, then we could see quite a nice price target coming from this structure. The fact that these two trend lines suggest to us that this is a falling wedge pattern, and if we see this breakout from the resistance here, we could be looking at quite a large price target, which is the distance between the first test of the resistance up here to the first test of support down here. We drag this distance to where we potentially see a breakout. Let's say it happens right on the start of April, so new month, a new bullish trend, and we could be looking at a big price target there of 2.8 cents Chiron on OnyxCoin's Sanui. You know why I'm paying attention to the charts as the prices approach this resistance level. Of course, if you are for a great place to trade this potential breakout here on OnyxCoin, then look no further than the MEX exchange. It's linked in the description down below. And for a limited time, if you sign up using that link, they'll give you a free $20 just to get started. Of course, all you have to do is make that account and deposit some fiat or crypto into that account, and then they'll give you that 20 just to play around with. So again, if you want to make use of that offer, the link for this is in the description down below where it says MEX course. Thank you so much for your support. Let's get back into this video. So that's the bullish scenario here on OnyxCoin. This is what I'm looking for, and there's quite a few things to suggest that we could be starting to see a new bullish trend just around the corner. One of the most convincing things that I think we have seen is this MACD divergence and crossover. Now, if I goon the one-day chart, this, in my opinion, is something else. Of course, I've seen a lot of divergences by studying the charts, but this divergence is honestly just too good. Bear in mind that yesterday we saw the prices drop down 8.5 since we saw a crossover here on the MACD on the 14th of March when the prices were quite a bit higher. They were literally at the 1.3 to 1/4 region when we saw this bullish MACD crossover. We've seen the prices drop 40%, but on average there's still bullish momentum here on the OnyxCoin chart that, in my opinion, is absolutely incredible. Normally when we see the prices drop, we would also expect to see bearish momentum accompany it. But nonetheless, despite this price action that we've seen over the past few weeks, which has just been a downtrend, we're seeing bullish momentum here on this chart. You can see that with these green bars, although they are small, it's still saying we're bullish according to the MACD, and we saw a clear crossover on the 14th of March, and so not only did we get a buy signal from that crossover, we also saw a massive divergence. We also see a massive divergence building up. Of course, if you look at the direction of the two lines on the MACD, they are pointing upwards. The bearish momentum is fading, and it's the bullish momentum is building here on the chart. And yet, if you look at the price, it's still clearly in a downwards direction. So we've got a massive divergence between the one-day MACD and the price, and something has to give at the end of the day. This hints that we could see a new bullish trend emerge over the coming days and weeks. So the MACD, in my opinion, is looking extremely bullish. And so now that you've seen the MACD and how bullish that is, if I get up the 200-day exponential moving average, have a look at how the price has reacted to this blue line. This is an extremely important moving average. It generally dictates the trend here on OnyxCoin in the long term. If we're above this blue line, we're generally bullish in a bullish trend. And if the prices are below, then we are generally in a bearish trend. And now when the prices slip down below this 1 cent level, the prices did accelerate downwards, and it looked like we had lost this level. However, as said, the bulls had stepped in at this point 0.8585 cents level, pushing the prices back above this 200-day exponential moving average, the EMA, and the bulls are trying very, very hard to defend this moving average. So this is a sign of massive strength here on OnyxCoin. What I want to see, however, for a new bullish trend to be confirmed. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.